Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to send a voice message on your server on your account on Discord, easy and quick. As you see here, go here on this uh, record audio and click here allow, and that's it. That's how to send voice message on your server on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.